Good evening, everyone. My name is Aditi Ram Patel. Today is telling about vibrant culture of India. India is a famous country known for its rich cultures and the traditions for its rich cultures and traditions. It is the it is of the oldest and the cultures of the world. The world due to his diversity in music, art, dance, laughing, and religions. These are many types of festivals: Diwali, Dashera, Pokla, Holi, Christmas. Thank you.